Yes. Can you share the screen, sir?
Huh?
Share the screen, sir.
What man?
Screen is not visible.
Oh, screen is not here. Okay, wait. How was that Shastra, ma? What is your feedback? Did you gone through?
I just had two to three pages glance, sir. I have to see all the remaining pages again. Yet.
Okay, okay, fine. This is completed. You people watch this video, right?
Yes, sir.
So we will go for this. Windows 10 OS 32-bit versus 64-bit. This is.
Sir, the other document, the other notes which you shared in WhatsApp, I have made it as a document actually.
Okay.
The one which you shared, copy pasted from online notepad and pasted in it on WhatsApp, right? The other day.
Yeah, yeah.
So I like instead of opening WhatsApp every time and now if you don't have internet, so
No,
it's
that is, see, even I can make document. That is not a great deal. WhatsApp means once you open means anywhere you, for example, if you are going from your place to uh, interview place at the time, there is a short span of time, right? You may get 20 minutes to 30 minutes. At that time, you can go through those topics. That's why I pasted directly onto WhatsApp. There is no fun
yeah.
in making again document of it. Even I can do that directly.
No, sir. What I'm trying to say, when I made the document right in Word, so I got to see some questions which were not answered. So that is the reason I was about to tell you just.
Which questions we didn't answer? We will answer
Uh,
after these videos. Okay.
okay, sir.
See how to check whether it is 64 or 32-bit. Simply you need to go to my computer, my computer, right click, go to properties, see here 64-bit operating system, 6 x64-bit based processor. It will show here. Your device name also will show here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here see display, sound, notification, focus, assist, power and sleep, battery, storage, tablet, multitasking, projecting to PC. These are all the options. Okay. This is how we will see. He is explaining that.
I have to go to search and type about and see in the right side, right, sir.
This is also you should answer in an interview. One more way how to check means you need to go to C drive. In C drive, two files will be there. Two program files, x86. If it is this file is also there means it is 64 bit. Only this file is there means this is 32 bit. I'll show here, right? So I'll go to C drive.
You mean only program files is there, then it is 32 bits, sir?
Yeah. See, only program files is there 32 bit. x86 is also there, then it is 64 bit.
Okay, sir. And Windows 11 exists only in 64 bits, sir. There is no 32 bit
No, 32 bit is also there.
in Windows 11, sir.
Any version 32 bit will be there, 64 bit will be there. It is up to you which one we will install. It is based on your processor, which processor it is. Mostly processors are coming nowadays with 64 bit only. In the 32 bit, see for example word size. See word size will be there, right? For input word it will take processor. The processor, if it is a 64 bit processor, then take entire word at a time. If 32 bit means half word it will take. In that arithmetic and logic unit will be there. That arithmetic unit will take half word. If it is 32 bit processor, then if you give 64 bit data, then what will happen? It will store one at a time, remaining it will hold.
But I mean, it is not 64 bits. I have read actually in some research when I was doing Windows 10 and 11 differences search. You can search it as well, sir.
Windows 11,
You can search it in Google, I think. Does
we,
Windows
we,
11 exist in
we will
64
search
bit?
in Google Bird. What
Yeah.
is Yeah, you are right, man. You did good research. No, Windows 11 is not available in 32 bit. Microsoft Office only offers Windows 11. Thank you for letting me know, man. Even I don't know
Uh,
this point.
yeah, I should have reconfirmed, sir. Like because I would have gone through by your words, but just wanted to have a check and it works.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good thing.
So this would impact in interview, right? So sometimes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even I remember for next batches I'll teach this point.
Because I spent around 45 minutes on this Windows 10 11 on that day. So that is why when I formulated all those, it was not all together. It was a video actually. I paused all those video points and typed it down separately as per my understanding. So that is when
Okay,
I
okay.
noted.
That,
Actually, if everyone in the group are active and if they try to do the research, we'll get lot many points to gather and
they
speak
are
upon.
not active like you. Okay, you and Asma were bit better. Remaining people are not that smart. Okay, they're newcomers. They are thinking that they want job as like that.
Yeah,
Uh,
just like that, like as if cake or air, some air is coming, oxygen is coming freely. So
they are thinking like that. One of the person Amrut, yesterday he was there. He disconnected call when I asked him to go for a mob call. That much fear he has. Again he called me and told like, sir, in front of the group, how can you ask me like that? He is questioning me. What should I do?
That's really ridiculous, I would say.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. No, he is questioning me directly. How can you ask like that in the entire group to talk in English? I don't know English. That how would I know?
Yeah, I could have
Someone
told
someone
on
suggested
call.
him so that I joined in a group.
No, he could have told on call also, sir. I don't know English, so please don't call out my name. I think you are not aware of it. So that would have been simple instead of questioning like, how can you call me?
Yeah,
Since I don't know English, I still have to improve, sir. Please don't call out my name. I would feel a bit awkward if you say that it won't be repeated again. So there's a way of dealing things as well, sir, which they don't know actually.
yeah. And I can understand. I need to move on, right? Okay, okay. This is the thing. We are at here.
Sir, it's not visible properly.
What?
Can you increase the screen?
Resolution is 1080p HD. In this folder, any application which is 64-bit is going to install in this folder. If it is 32-bit, it will install in this program.
Okay.
See, x86 means 32-bit exe file. This is 7-zip file. Okay, you know 7-zip file also. Okay, that
I
is
don't
called
know, sir. 7
extractor.
zip means. Acha.
The extractor. Okay,
I mean,
that will
7,
extract.
7. It means.
WinRAR extractor or WinRAR extractor compressor, right? Likewise,
So,
7-zip also.
so only 7 files can be
No, not
unzipped.
7 files. Any file. That is one of the standalone software like WinRAR. What WinRAR will do, it will extract the files or it will compress the file, right?
Yes, sir.
For programs and all, if we miss a single bit also, it will create an error. So better to not go for WinRAR. Better we will go for 7-zip.
Okay, the name just
So
is like 7 zip, but it will extract and compress everything.
compress everything and extract everything also.
Okay. I thought only 7, so I thought 7.
See, he is installing 64-bit. See where it will install.
You already had it right, sir.
Huh?
You already had a 64-bit version, right?
Oh.
You are doing it again, installation.
No, I am not doing. He is doing.
Okay.
Wait. I am getting a call.
Okay.
Hello.
Sir, screen resolution can be. Hmm. Okay. Sir, can you increase the screen resolution?
This is not called resolution. This is the resolution. This is aspect ratio. See, in 32 bit you can install 32-bit application, but in 32-bit 64-bit you try to install, then it won't install. That's what he is teaching. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, in 64 we can install 32 bit, but in 32 we can't install 64. That is understood, right?
Hmm.
What does it exactly means? A 64 bit means or 32 bit?
See, in processor, what is the heart of the processor? Arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit. One word it will fetches. That is called fetching. Okay, fetches a word from the see RAM, from the RAM, that 64-bit word it fetches at a time. It accepts directly 64-bit, then it is called 64-bit processor, arithmetic logic unit. Okay, if it fetches 32-bit only, then we call 32-bit operating system. So we cannot fetch more than that.
Okay. How much is the RAM, sir, in of your laptop or PC?
I showed you my all configurations, right?
Yeah, is it 8 or 16?
16 GB.
Okay. The latest is 16 GB, right?
Yeah. No, not 16 GB is latest. You can use based on if you are using your system as a workstation, you can use 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 tera GB also for RAMs. If you want to use very big softwares, okay, at that time you'll use how much it want.
Like generally it will be of 8 GB. We can expand it is what you say, sir.
Yeah, for client nominal systems, 8 GB, 16 GB like this.
What is this SSD, sir? Is it RAM or ROM?
SSD, SSD. What is it? Even I need to check. Solid state drive, SSD stands for. It's a type of storage device that is used in computer that uh, relies on flash memory to store data persistently. Unlike traditional hard disk drives. హార్డ్ డిస్క్ డ్రైవ్స్ లేకుండా ఫ్లాష్ మెమరీలో ఇది స్టోర్ అవుతుంది, అందుకే ఇది హైయెస్ట్ స్పీడ్. ఓకే. ఓకే
And,
ప్రదీప్.
and no, it's not in registers that will store. It will show in flash, sir.
In registers only, that memory is called flash memory.
Okay, okay. So it is hard disk only, right, sir?
Hard disk like, not exactly hard disk. Hard disk is mechanical. This is electronic hard disk. SDD means electronic hard disk.
So both RAM and also hard disk can be expanded, sir, right, sir?
Yeah,
Generally, what is your ROM capacity, sir? 8 GB RAM and ROM.
ROM mostly in KB, 512 KB,
I think
like
GB,
that.
sir, not
Two.
KB.
No, ROM will be in the order of KB only. ROM, ROM.
KB. ROM is
MB,
nothing but internet.
MB, MB.
Sorry,
Sorry.
no, sir. I think it's GB because uh,
No, they have basic thing only. Wait, what is ROM size? MB only, mostly. See, MB. Although for very small ROMs, chips KB also.
measurement. Mm. The one which you call internal memory is RAM or ROM, sir? It's ROM only, right? Hello, sir.
System is there.
Hello.
After that, hello.
Yeah, your voice was not audible, sir.
Now,
Now it is. Now it is.
see, sometimes your single standalone client operating system is single screen. Okay, if you change it to four operating systems, at that time you need to change BIOS, right? BIOS configuration you need to change, right?
Okay.
So for that they will use some memory. They will hold some memory for future purposes also. That's why it is in MB. Otherwise, mostly BIOS, post, these programs only runs on ROM. When our power hits, these programs will run. First program will be running by BIOS. Next program run by BIOS will fetch operating system from hard disk to the RAM. Okay?
Okay.
Then RAM to the processor. This job is BIOS, basic input output systems. Post power on self test that will execute to diagnose basic diagnose. If mouse is not connected or mouse is broken, keyboard is broken, keyboard some keys are broken, it will give beep sound. Beep beep beep.
Okay. So what is this, sir? Internal memory? Is it not ROM, sir? ROM?
What internal memory?
Like we have in phones, right, sir? 8 GB and 128 GB kind of thing.
Phone.
Yeah.
That SD SAN disk. Those disks you are asking are phone memory.
Phone memory, sir.
Two
Like
will be
generally.
there. One is external memory that will be SAN disk or internal memory, phone memory.
Not external, sir. Like that is memory card is all this, not that one.
Okay.
internal memory. Like it is 8 GB 128 like kind of specification. So
That
in
is
that
RAM only. That is RAM
8G,
only. ROM means once you edit it, then you need to flash it, flash, or else erase it, electrically erase it and do it again. RAM means you can edit anytime. That is RAM only.
it shows like 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory. So I
Well,
don't think 128 is RAM over there, right, sir?
wait, for which phone we will see? Tell me.
Generally, for any phones, like you can have that similarity. 8 GB RAM, 128 GB, Realme phone or whatever.
Realme phone configurations. Phone and laptop will be little bit different.
That's one I was speaking, sir. 8 GB, 256 GB. So that.
Here he mentioned RAM only. Now, what is your problem in this?
No, RAM plus storage, sir. The RAM is 8 GB, storage is 256 GB. So that is
Both are.
different. That is
What is
different.
meant
This
by
is.
storage? Are you thinking it is ROM?
Yes, sir. Because see, I tried to install 20 application. It's saying your RAM is filled. If it is 256 GB, how could it say mine is 128 GB? If it is 128 GB, I can install around 100 apps actually. But it
Wait,
doesn't
wait.
happen. It says your RAM is filled. You have to delete
ROM
some
means
apps.
again and again we cannot change ROM. RAM we can change.
Delete the old apps and install new apps. It will say. If it is 256 GB, hell lot
Version
of apps can be.
113. MediaTek this one, CPU ARM memory 4 GB, 128 GB storage. This is storage means RAM only, Babu. Hero.
No, sir, it
That is
doesn't be
not.
like that. If it is 256, 128 GB, you can install around 100 apps, sir. Suppose if one Play Store app will be of 1 GB also, you can install 128 apps, but it doesn't happen. You just try in your phone. If you just install 20,
So
30, 40
yours.
apps, if you just think in that way, then it should be like 120 apps
So
should
you
be
are
8.
thinking only 4 GB is RAM.
Yeah, 4 GB is RAM, it
What
kind
about
of,
this 128 GB?
that might be ROM is what I'm thinking, sir.
So okay, if it is ROM, then how will you store the data?
Yeah, and ROM only, sir. Like phone memory is ROM only, right? We'll have all kind of data, everything, WhatsApp data. You need to see like if RAM and ROM and internal storage is both on the same one.
Maybe.
We'll check once. Because when I tried to install more than 30 apps in my phone, it was like you need to clear some apps. If it is 128 GB and hardly 40 or 30 MB will be an app. If it is even 1 GB also 128 apps can be installed, but it doesn't happen in that context if you say.
Okay. Even I don't know. Here also he didn't mention as ROM, right? He mentioned as storage.
Yeah, I'm just searching, sir.
Okay, we will go to the lecture then. Okay, maybe it is RAM. See,
One check in board, sir. What is it saying, board?
how to check in board? Hmm?
Like, what is the internal memory?
What is internal memory of phone? No, he didn't mention whether it is a RAM or ROM. He explained so much theory. He is talking about external memory like micro SD card.
That is different again. Like in Google, what is it saying? Not theory.
Hmm?
In Google.
Oh, what is ROM size means here he mentioned refers to storage capacity, which means you are right it seems. See what is ROM size, no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Typically read-only memory typically refers to as storage. Yeah, you are right. Again you are right, man. Yes, clarified.
Is it only by MB, KB, or it can be like the 128 GB also?
For phones it is different, for laptops it is different, I guess. What is ROM size for phone? Okay, that would be good.
I think ROM is
Oh, see, this point we need to see. Unlike classic ROMs, this is rewritable. Phone memories are rewritable technically. Okay? See, in computer or laptop ROMs, once you write the data, then you need to erase it electrically. Those features you need to dismantle. That's what is ROM is all about. But this is not classic like RAM. This is rewritable. You can write again and again like RAM. This memory rewritable. Phone storage capacities are much larger than typical ROM chips. Typical ROM chips, comparatively typical ROM chips, phone storage capacities are much larger, ranging from 16 GB to 1 terabyte also.
Yeah, I think
But for
the one which I
laptop it is
mentioned.
8 GB. Those are not rewritable. Those writable only once. If it is features are connected, then only we can write once.
Yeah, this is what like I was feeling like you cannot install within 8 GB of RAM. Those many apps. So that is where I when compared it with those 8 GB RAM. Hardly you can install around 25-30 apps. It will be done. 30 or hardly 50 apps you can install,
Okay, okay.
and you'll have inbuilt apps from the phone like Google, text to speech, and etc. So is it referring to internal memory only, sir? ROM?
Huh?
ROM is referring to internal memory only.
Yeah.
Okay. So in laptops it is in MB, whereas in phones it is in GB. Sir.
Up to 1 terabyte is also there.
Yeah, that is why in phones we have till 256 GB, and beyond also we can extend is what I heard.
Yeah.
Because I tried to install few apps once, like to make a YouTube channel of my own about cricket, and I had to install some pixel arts, Canva, and etc. It was not allowing me to do so. It was asking me to delete WhatsApp and etc. The one which are taking more memory. So I just saw for a while
Pixel
and
arts, do you have pixel arts? Do you have?
I wasn't able to install all those applications because of this error warning sir, that you have to uninstall WhatsApp and the internal apps that had YouTube and etc. In order to uh, install that pixel arts and Canva. So I just installed Canva, which was taking less memory, and
Why do you
mostly
install
I
Canva? You can browse through browser, right? You can use like any browser. Online tutorial, right? Online also you can do. Why do you
like
install Canva?
I mean the
See now I did not even install Canva. So now I'll go to Canva.
yeah in
Uh,
laptop it is
Now in phone also, you don't tell me. See, here home Canva, it is there. Yeah, this is the Canva we are getting. We can do that
but the appearance was different, so the interface page was different totally.
in phone.
Yeah,
I don't think so.
in phone it was different, so it wasn't like this. Yeah, it will be something like this actually in phone.
Okay, we will go to the lecture again.
Okay.
See, see, this is how to fix Outlook if keep hanging. Outlook look like this. Outlook look like this. This is Outlook. Okay. Someone's Outlook is this. In this inbox, sent items, drafts, archives, deleted items, inbox 5. Okay.
Same
Again,
as
see,
MS
multiple
Excel.
accounts will be there. Multiple
Same.
accounts will be there. Nihal's doc. He made into doc. Inbox file, drafts system, deleted item, archives, conversation history, junk mail. See how beautiful it is. Everything is there in this. Again in home. Okay. New email. Ignore, clean up junk. Delete archive, reply all, forward all. After that, these are the mails. These are the space. Here, see, move to, we can move to folders. Team email, done. Managers. See, this is how it will go. He will explain step by step. I will explain. To hanging emails, he is telling step by step process. Remember this. Or else make a note. Take a word and make a note. Go to files, account settings, account settings, data files. Oh, .ost file is there here. That
What is
OST
the
file you rename or delete. That OST means offline storage file. See, he is going. Underscore world file. New file will be created again. So this is corrupted. That's why it is getting hang. New file automatically will connect. If we again it will download this entire file. So it will work fine now. Or else either you delete this or rename this. If you rename this, then you will come to know the difference. This file is also there at old times because of this file corrupted. Because of that, it is getting low. Okay, next go.
already new one is downloaded, I think, sir. TMP is new one, right?
What?
TMP is new one, I hope.
No, this one is new one. Nihal.ost is new one.
What is
That
the
is
TMP?
temporary, it will go away.
Okay.
This is old file. This is new file.
So
What is Outlook?
go to settings and Go to search box and type settings.
What is Outlook? Outlook is an email software program by Microsoft that enables user to send and receive emails.
Yeah, that should be enough.
See, this is showing Microsoft Office activated. Okay. See, Microsoft Office account. It is not here. Here, Outlook email features are explained. See, Event Brian is sending continuous emails, that too very important emails. At that time, we will create new folder for him. See, new folder is creating.
Okay.
Event Bright folder. See how to fix add missing add-ins in Outlook. See, here it is their calendar. In that calendar, Google Meet he can create. He is now searching for OneNote add in or else one more thing. You have to go to file options, add-ins. These are inactive application add-ins. Skype meeting is in inactive. OneNote is also in inactive. Skype is OneNote. These are add-ins from CAM add-ins.
And in the external features of Outlook,
Hmm?
the the sub subcategory of Microsoft Outlook features.
Yeah, yeah. Here you will get OneNote. Wait, someone is joined, I guess. Asma is joined. Hello, Asma.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma. Why didn't you join at 9:30, ma?
Sorry, sir. I did not saw the meeting link. Actually, my cell got switched off.
Okay, okay, ma. Now onwards, at least you join and you follow, ma. Okay. Remaining class, everything is there on the recorded. You can go through it once class is there. Class is completed. I have hope on you two people only, ma. First, I need to place you people only. See, ma. From the beginning, we will see this thing. Ma, see, ma. How to fix missing add-ins in Outlook, ma? In Outlook, look like this. Okay. These are see inbox, everything look like a mail. All of the items were there in the Gmail likewise. But here we can create folder for frequently coming ever bright person. For him we can create one folder so we won't miss any mails. And one more thing is we few things are missing. Skype is missing from these options on this board, primary board. After that, OneNote is also missing. That how will you get that? He is explaining. Ma, go through from the beginning. OneNote is missing from Home tab. Ma. OneNote is disabled and Skype is disabled. Ma, see inactive application add-ins. These are.
Sir, one way is to go to Windows and other way is to go to Home, sir.
What, ma?
One way is to go through Start button and enter Outlook and go to File and add in.
No, 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 no. First of all, after going into Outlook, we need to go to options. In that options it will show like inactive. See previously like it will show add-ins. In options add-ins you need to go. In add-ins it will show inactive application add-ins. These are all are inactive application add-ins. Microsoft Access Outlook inactive for data collection publishing. Microsoft Exchange add-ins. Microsoft SharePoint server colleague import add-in. Microsoft VBA for Outlook add-in. OneNote add-in. Outlook Social Connector 2016 Skype meeting add-in. See in this what we want only two options. Skype meeting for meeting purposes we want whenever the calendar opens then meeting should open on it and whenever home page Microsoft home page is there on that home page for every email if you want to write one note like online notepad this is also OneNote is also we can write about the description so that we can get easily understandable format. Okay, for that it is OneNote is also there. These two he will add. Remember,
Sir, we already have Teams, right? Why is again Skype used, sir?
Skype quality will be good, proper, with less memory, less battery. You can make video calls. Microsoft Teams also you can do. Okay, for bulk number, especially Microsoft Teams is for bulk number. If you want to take interview of 2000 people at a time, we will take 2 minutes of communication round. Then we will go for Microsoft Teams. For single person, and all, for a video quality more. If you want to take screenshot, then you cannot take a screenshot, good screenshot in this Microsoft Teams because we want to compare that copy that whether this employee only did an interview or not. After coming into ID card photo and this screenshot should match. Then only these people will hire. Otherwise, these people won't hire. Okay. So,
Okay.
this has to go, ma. Okay.
Okay. Skype is for limited people, whereas in Teams you can access for many people.
Yeah.
Sir, is it in 1080 pixel or because is it just the option displaying over there? Sir, once click for that.
Huh?
Have you clicked on 1080 pixel or is it just that it is showing you one suggestion that you
No.
have to?
No. No. Not suggestion.
So that is what happening, sir. And I assume, sir, things will happen like this. So I always think something and it happens. See, actually
Now it
haven't
is
selected
quality
it.
1080, right?
Now as you selected it is 1080, sir. It was actually suggesting you to go to 1080. Since then actually in the beginning. Trying to ask
There
you
also
that.
you are getting good quality, right? What Asma? You are getting good quality, na? You are able to read, right? My screen properly.
Yes,
Now a
sir.
bit like when it is screen recorded, it will be different, sir.
Okay, okay.
See, for naked eye it is different. For screen recorder, the app again it's a third party app, so it will be different. So
Okay,
I
okay.
assume that you haven't checked that 1080 pixels, and that is why some blurriness was appearing for me. And you have checked it now; it is a bit clarity.
We are not in the darn age, man. We are in the modern age. Everything is in high quality, high visualization,
Yes, sir, but you
extreme
haven't checked it
visualization.
actually is what I'm saying. Like when I asked you in the initial starting of the class, you said it is 1080 already, but it wasn't actually. It was suggesting you to go to 1080 for better HD. And it was
Okay, okay, fine. I think I don't feel any difference. Both look same. Okay, after that, calm add-ins. Okay, calm add-ins you will choose from here. Wait, see here. Manage, go to calm add-ins. In calm add-ins and go. He will go. Okay, go. If you go like this, then he will get like this. Calm add-ins. In these add-ins available. These are available. We need to tick mark whichever we want. Whatever we want, we want to tick mark for this OneNote as well as Skype meeting. See here, OneNote ma. For every application, we need to restart. Now it will show OneNote. See, OneNote it is showing. See, see here. Whenever the 14 click, then Skype is enabled. See how to fix if user unable to send and receive emails in Outlook.
Sir, can you increase the ratio?
What?
Ratio should be increased.
Aspect ratio. Okay.
This is unable to send or receive email, sir.
Unable to send or receive emails on Outlook. At that time, how to resolve that? That is we are teaching. We need to go to command prompt. Replying, which means internet is coming out to the machine.
I mean, we are checking for google.com by sir.
No, randomly you check google.com whether it is coming or not. If internet is coming properly, then mails also comes or goes faster, right?
Okay, okay.
So that's why. Maybe some setting is missing. Everything is fine here. What does it means? Means YouTube is not able to come, but Google is coming. YouTube is Google's only, right? So the problem is in proxy settings. You need to change your proxy settings. I think Google.com is also not coming on the browser. From command prompt, you are getting the reply.
So that could be like the
Which
internet.
states that the internet connection is there, but browser is not getting. Which
So
means
that could.
He
That
might
means
have
date and
proxy issues.
proxy not, sir. It might be due to date and time change also sometimes.
Date and time change is also there. So, there is also what will happen? Nothing will happen, right?
No, sir. That is wrong. If you have incorrect date and time, it won't connect actually. Internet won't connect.
I don't know that. I am thinking that proxy might be changing. See, see proxy server uncheck. We need to do uncheck. Wait. Internet options, right? We will go.
Try to keep the mid-range aspect ratio, sir.
Huh?
That middle one. Try to keep the mid-range aspect ratio instead of the final aspect ratio.
Maintain this one.
Uh,
Okay, where is that? Internet option for which we need to go.
proxy
Whi-
settings.
For which event? Go to default level, custom level,
Let's see in the
privacy.
video, sir.
Huh?
Let's see in the video once it was going fast.
General. It is not showing that option. Internet options. Go to the connections. Go to the connections. LAN settings. Here proxy setting unchecked. Okay? We need to
Try to
uncheck
keep.
this.
No, it is unchecked, right, sir. You have
No,
to
it
check
is
that.
unchecked. That's why I'm getting internet properly. That
Yeah.
too, if you are using proxy. If you are using proxy, then we need to flush DNS. IP config slash flush DNS we need to do only if you are having uh, this IP or what
Proxy ID.
mm,
Why, sir? It will have bad sector, sir.
no, it's not bad sector. It got flooded. Data is flooded in, collided. I mean, it becomes so much messy
When we use proxy
so that
server.
it won't allow new data to come in or go in. That line is called congested.
Okay, due to
If
use
you
of
are using
proxy.
proxy,
Okay. So here
because
now we have.
you are in
Okay.
India, you are accessing your internet from America. That's what proxy will do. At that time, some issues will come. At that time, you need to uncheck this proxy server. He is doing. See now Google is working.
Like after unchecking the proxy server, sir.
Yeah. See unchecked it. That's all. It become undocked. How to dock this?
Sir, you can drag it, right, sir. You can. No, no.
Why
You can
it,
scroll it. Scroll it. You can scroll and simply click on that.
how to fix if mail is stuck? Why it is coming very this one I think. See how to fix if mail is stuck in outbox. Okay, for that solution he is telling. So listen carefully. In company environment, it is not allowed that 35 MB, 25 MB and all. Very
Then how, sir?
less file size is only it will be. This
Then how
is
to
a
get
target fixed by company policy.
only that range of files can be sent and other can't be sent.
Yeah,
What if a file exists of more than that size?
it will get stuck. It will get stuck in Outlook itself. We need to delete those files.
Delete.
Work offline to delete the file.
So we can't send it anymore.
If you select to work offline, then only you can able to delete. Otherwise, you are not even able to delete it. ఎక్కడ వస్తున్నారు సత్య వసుకోండి ఎవరెవరు వస్తున్నారు నువ్వు ఒకటేనా తీసుకున్నారా ఆ? ఆ, సరే సరే